On the 6th of November 2021, deputies from the Orange County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to the Oakley store at Disney Springs following a theft report. The report detailed that a suspect, accompanied by his wife and daughter, was caught stealing multiple pairs of expensive sunglasses. Let's see what happens next.
Yeah, where's the guy? And is that the guy right there? Is that the guy right there?
With the matching jackets.
Go ahead.
Right there?
I'm trying to verify. That looks like him. Okay. You want to stop him now?
Yeah, just stop. Say hi. Hello, sir. Hi, I'm Danny with Disney Security. How are you today? Yeah. All right. So you guys were over to Oakley a little bit earlier, right? What's that? You were over to Oakley a little bit earlier? No. Oh, okay. All right. Cool. All right.
The car carrier still be around.
You have your ID on you, boss? You have your ID on you?
Yeah.
District copy, stand by. It is in the waterfall lot. It's closest to the orange garage, if you will, closest to the mango lot, and it is a burgundy.
Let's go ahead and maybe just have a conversation. We'll have a conversation with him back here. All right. Don't worry about it right now. We're going to go outside.
Get my ID out. Okay. Good. If I grab it out. All right, Kevin. Would you go back stage real quick?
Yeah.
I need to talk to you. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to it for now.
Okay. You're going to open up strawberry? Got it. Cool. Thanks, bye. So we've got you, we've got you inside of Oakley, okay? So do me a favor, talk with Matt here, okay? Sure. We'll see what we can work out, all right?
So this is the situation. We're only in contact with you because they have video surveillance of you from Oakley for shoplifting, right?
Okay.
So that is why we're here. You are being detained right now. You're not free to go by any means.
Oh boy, Mickey was not having it with him. I'm guessing they won't be planning a Disney vacation anytime soon.
Entry 5.
All right, so I'm gonna ask you to put down the bags in the meantime.
Okay.
Hang out for a few, all right?
All right, down there, fine.
Delta 5, entry 5.
No weapons, nothing crazy on you, bombs, grenades, nothing like that. All right, I'm just gonna pat you down, make sure that you don't have any weapons on you, all right? Put your hands right here for me.
Hey, Ray.
Delta 5 from Motor 1, I can swing over and take in this way.
Spread your feet for me.
What's that?
Spread your feet for me, please.
Oh, yeah, that's mine.
Spread your feet for me, please. I'm just asking you to spread your feet for me.
I need you guys to come right here. Come back.
All right, appreciate it.
Strawberry.
Okay, yeah, no, I knew your phone was in your pocket. Are you guys visiting from Maryland?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're here on my honeymoon.
Okay.
Yeah, we're in the service yard right now. So you can go ahead and go around that way if you want to. They can go around the exterior and then come around by towards Line Drive and then enter through the service yard from there. Yeah.
Are you with anyone else? I know you said you're here on your honeymoon, so your wife is in the store as well?
My wife and my daughter are running around here somewhere.
Okay.
Yes, sir. They're going to be parking Strawberry, so you're going to see a lot of guests. Sure.
I'm just carrying everybody's bags. So.
Got you. 10-4. Can you change our location to the World of Disney store, please?
So what are we doing?
We're making contact with the other parties that were involved at Oakley as well. They'll be coming over here and we'll proceed from there. All right?
Strawberry lot, entry 5. Landings, Delta 5.
Hi, ma'am. You have ID on you, by chance?
Landings 51 from Wilderness.
What's up?
I don't know.
Do you have ID?
I don't.
How old are you?
22.
22?
Yeah, I just got here today.
Okay. All right, ladies, I'm going to ask you to stand just right over there. Sir, just hang out real quick. My deputy's going to hang out with you guys for a few, all right? So, you guys are here because you guys were involved in shoplifting today, right? That's the whole reason that you're here. You guys were observed in Oakley. Well, your daughter and your husband were observed in Oakley, selecting items, concealing them, and not paying for them. That's why we're here, all right? That being said, as far as it relates to Oakley, at this point in time, you weren't seen on video, so you are going to be released. You will be free to go. Disney, which is separate from us, it's a separate entity, is trespassing you, right? So Danny's one of the security managers. He'll explain the process there.
What about them? That is my
So
concern.
your daughter and your husband will be trespassed from all Disney property as well, and they will be going to the Orange County Jail today.
How can I get in touch? What can I do?
So they will get booked in, they will get processed there, and they will be able to call you. Your husband's phone and wallet are going with him. Your daughter's wallet will be going with her. He'll be able to get numbers out of the phone and give you a call. All right? And they'll explain the process to him as far as posting bail for him so that he can get released and your daughter can get released. They'll explain that whole process to you.
Watch the Under Armour stuff as well. You want to? Or no? Oh no, I'm sorry. One of you guys. Okay, there you go.
After conducting a search, officers found well over $1,000 worth of sunglasses and numerous other items stolen from other stores nearby.
That's the other one.
All right.
That's them, sir.
Cool.
Say.
So understand something. If you move from here again, I'm going to put you to sit on the ground. Do you understand me?
Sure.
If you do that again, after that, I'm gonna hobble your
My
feet.
daughter, she just had back surgery, man.
Stand over there like I told you. Actually, you know what? Sit. Take a seat. Take a
I can't
seat.
sit on the ground.
Take a seat. Yes, you can.
I'll stand right here.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
God damn, man.
Take a seat. I'm gonna ask you to sit down.
Sit down on the ground. 50 years old, man. Seriously.
I'm sure that you're quite capable of doing that. You're
can
quite
sit on them
capable of
boxes.
moving around.
I'm walking around,
Okay.
yeah.
So stay here. Don't move.
Come on, man.
Move.
You have that
Hey.
camera on?
Yes, it is.
Thank
Move
God.
again. I'm putting you on the ground. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Am I clear with you?
Yeah. Why
Don't
are you
move
threatening
again.
me, dude? I'm just checking on my kid.
I'm not. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do because
Okay.
you're refusing to obey our commands.
I'm not refusing
right?
anything. I'm checking on
Stand
my
here.
kid,
Don't
man.
move. That's a command.
Sure, dude.
Don't do anything else. Walking there. That's disobeying that. That's resisting.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Sure, man. It makes you feel better, sure.
We were literally looking for cameras and they came back in, so we didn't notice that we took these.
Delta 12.
Okay. So can you verify all that? I know that is these.
Yeah.
And give me a total value for all the property taken.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Hi.
So the reason why my dad's all freaking out, mad, all that. I have a record 4 years ago. I got drugs. My lawyer said if they had done toxicology, I would have gotten off all of it, but they didn't do toxicology at the hospital. It got ruled as a concussion, not anything else. But I'm a first grade teacher, so that's the reason why I'm freaking out. If I get in trouble, I'll lose my job. I got drugs. Yeah, and I just got back surgery. I can show you my scars. I have 2 in the back, 1 in the front.
Okay. I'm not negating your back surgery or anything else. That's not the reason that we're
I
here.
know, that's just the reason why he's being rude, he's not doing anything. That's the reason why he's like that. He just doesn't want me to lose my job. I don't want to lose my job. I didn't think. I was carrying it back.
Okay.
I just got here today,
Okay.
like,
Just have it.
1496.
1496.
So, because we didn't notice it first, because like I said, when they came.
So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
BCO 16.
Okay. What was the total value? $14.96.
What's the 20 of this? Guess I'm over here passing politely.
Before I ask you anything, I'm going to read you your constitutional rights, okay? Constitution requires I inform you that you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used in court as evidence against you. You're entitled to talk to an attorney now or have one present at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. If you desire to consult with an attorney or have one present during any questioning? No? Okay. If at any time hereafter you wish to remain silent or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped. Has anyone at any time threatened, coerced, or promised you anything in order to induce you to make a statement right now? Okay. Do you understand these rights? Yes? Alright. Do you wish to talk to me? No? Alright.
Both of them were booked for felony grand theft. Daddy's girl will grow up to be just like her old man. If you enjoyed today's body cam, be sure to leave a like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe as we will post more body cam footage every week.